Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. According to the Sample Registration System Report 2021, what is the total fertility rate of India? A 2.0, B 2.2, C 1.8, D 3.0. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. Viruthi campaign was launched by which state government to address the growing waste crisis? A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. Nai Disha initiative was launched in which city to reintegrate school dropouts into the education system? A. Jaipur, B. Bhopal, C. New Delhi, D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. The Chenchu tribe is primarily found in which region? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau, B. Nalamalai Forest, C. Himalayas, D. Aravalli Hills. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. What is the name of the joint disaster relief exercise conducted by the Indian Army and NDRF in Nagaland to enhance preparedness for monsoon related disasters? A. Exercise Shakti, B. Exercise Rakshak, C. Exercise Rahat, D. Exercise Suraksha. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. Which Indian athlete has been conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army? A. Neeraj Chopra, B. Suraj Panwar, C. Kishore Jeena, D. Vikas Singh. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project is built on which river? A. Pranahita River, B. Krishna River, C. Godavari River, D. Tungabhadra River. Correct answer is C. Question number 8. Bharat Forecast System is developed by which institute? A. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, B. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, C. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, D. National Remote Sensing Center, Hyderabad. Correct answer is C. Question number 9. Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0 is a multi-dimensional assessment framework developed by which ministry? A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Agriculture, C. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question number 10. Which state government has launched the Ankur initiative to boost urban growth? A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question 11. Which state government has launched the hedging desk to help farmers to get a fair price for agricultural product under SMART project? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question 12. Where is India's first wooden Gurudwara named Sri Nanak Niwas established? A. Fazlika, Punjab, B. Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, C. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, D. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question 13. Wulla tea, which was recently secured patent for India's first bagless tea, is primarily associated with which state? A. Meghalaya, B. Sikkim, C. Assam, D. Tripura. Correct answer is C. Question 14. Which police station has become the first in India to receive International Organization for Standardization certification? A. Jhilmili Police Station, Chhattisgarh, B. Karsang Police Station, Arunachal Pradesh, C. Surmangalam Police Station, Tamil Nadu, D. Arthungal Police Station, Kerala. Correct answer is D. Question number 15. Which state government has launched a campaign to revive 75 small rivers and tributaries in July 2025? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question 16. Which state has introduced the Prevention of Offences Against Holy Scriptures Bill in July 2025? A. Gujarat, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Question 17. What is the name of the AI-powered chatbot launched by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? A. Skillbot India, B. AI Sakshi, C. Skill India Assistant, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Question 18. What is the name of the committee constituted by central government to handle major disasters with national impact? A. National Emergency Response Committee, B. Central Disaster Monitoring Board, C. National Crisis Management Committee, D. National Disaster Coordination Council. Correct answer is C. Question 19. Which ministry has launched the revamped Mission Vatsalya portal as a unified digital platform for child protection services? A. Ministry of Education, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question 20. Kavach 4.0 is an automatic train protection system introduced by which organization? A. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, B. Research, Design and Standard Organization, C. Defense Research and Development Organization, D. Ministry of Transport. Correct answer is B. Question 21. What is the name of the operation launched by Bihar Police to combat human trafficking in 2025? A. Operation Jeevan Rekha, B. Operation Suraksha, C. Operation Vijay, D. Operation Naya Savera. Correct answer is D. Question 22. Which two institutions jointly developed a district flood severity index? A. IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Delhi and IIT Gandhinagar, C. IIT Madras and IIT Kharagpur, D. IIT Roorkee and IIT Hyderabad. Correct answer is B. Question 23. The Muthuvan tribe is primarily found in which Indian states? A. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, B. Bihar and Jharkhand, C. Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, D. Rajasthan and Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question 24. E-Jagriti platform is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, B. Ministry of Science and Technology, C. Ministry of Agriculture, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question 25. Saharia tribe is primarily found in which states? A. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, B. Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar, C. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, D. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.